In this video, I'll show you an easy way to activate, convert, and fill out your NFPA 96 kitchen hood inspection form on your mobile device or tablet, all for free using Joyfill. If you're not familiar with Joyfill, it's a way to digitize your forms in a way that makes them completely mobile friendly, eliminating manual paper forms or even the static Word, Excel, and PDF forms. Joyfill creates a super easy way to fill out your forms on any device, including a more complicated form like the kitchen hood form here. If you haven't already, create a Joyfill account, which I have linked in the video description if you want to follow along. Don't worry, Joyfill is free to use. When you first log in, you will see some helpful tips and training videos to help you get started. Feel free to watch those, or you can skip to the My Forms page to quickly get to your forms. To access your forms, navigate to the My Forms page located here on the left by clicking My Forms. The My Forms page is where all your forms live. The ones that you activate are here on the left. You can select them to preview them here on the right. If you're not seeing the form you're looking for, you can click the Add New button and then select from one of the options below. You can search our form library of thousands of templates that are pre-built. You can create your own from scratch using our drag and drop form builder. You can upload your own PDF and map fields on it to mobilize it, or you can send the Joyfill team your forms and they will custom build it for you. All of the forms are automatically mobile compatible, and you can fill them out on any iOS or Android device through the Joyfill mobile app, as you can see here on the right. I have also included the App Store links in the video description. One final comment: if you're just looking for a static NFPA PDF form, I suggest you download that from nfpa.org first. We're then happy to mobilize it once you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.